put this curve in there, put yours at 102, and we'll go see what it see if it'll do what mine did.
But that is run on gas. It is giving smoke and all. That is run on gas.
It runs on alcohol and nitromethane, basically. So not actually gasoline, but yeah, it's fuel, liquid fuel.
Nice.
Alcohol, nitromethane, and oil, basically.
I was so fascinated in my childhood actually. But yeah, this is
Well, the machines they have now are so much better and more stable and more reliable than the ones that they had even when I was a kid too. You have any questions, Greg?
yeah, sure
Anybody?
thing.